sow the seed and prostrate men, but 'tis the soldier's sword alone can reap the crops so bravely sown. No more I'll sing nor idly pine, but train my soul to lead a line. A soldier's life's the life for me, a soldier's death, so Ireland's free. No foe would fear your thunder words, if 'twere not for your lightning swords. If tyrants yield when millions pray, 'tis less they link in war array. Nor peace itself is safe, but when the sword is sheathed by fighting men. A soldier's life's the life for me, a soldier's death, so Ireland's free. The rifle brown and sabre bright can freely speak and nobly write. What prophets preached the truth so well as Huffer, Brian, Bruce and Teat? God guard the creed these heroes taught, that blood-bought freedom's cheaply bought. A soldier's life's the life for me, a soldier's death, so Ireland's free. Then welcome be the bivouac, the hardy stand and fierce attack, where pikes will tame their carbineers and rifles thin their bayonetiers. And every field the island through will show what Irishmen can do. A soldier's life's the life for me, a soldier's death, so Ireland's free. Yet 'tis not strength and 'tis not steel alone can make the English real, but wisdom working day by day, till comes the time for passion's sway. The patient din and powder shock can blast an empire like a rock. A soldier's life's the life for me, a soldier's death, so Ireland's free. Tribune's tongue and poet's pen may sow the seed in slavish men, but 'tis the soldier's sword alone can reap the harvest when 'tis grown. No more I'll sing, no more I'll pine, but train my soul to lead a line. A soldier's life's the life for me, a soldier's death, so Ireland's free.